Hello miniature viewers, today we are going to see how to make miniature Lord Shiva Parvati. First, let's make the head. Roll the clay to make the head. Now let's make the eyes. Adjust both sides to make the nose. Now press it from the bottom to make the perfect nose and make a mouth. Now let's place the ears. Now take a small round to make the body. Now fix the body and the head. Now add the clay on the top to make the required shape. Here I am making a sari for Lord Parvati. Here let's make the sari marks. Now let's make the Lord Shiva's powerful weapon Tirishul. Here let's make a tiny drum for Lord Shiva. Now let's fix the hands. Here I have made 4 hands for Lord Shiva. Similarly, let's fix the Parvati hand. Now let's fix the Tirishul weapon and drum to Lord Shiva. Fold the black thread to make the hair for Shiva and Parvati. Now fix the hair and cut out the extra. Here, let's make Lord Shiva's hairstyle by rotating the thread on a string. Now fix it on the top. Now let's make a moon and fix it on the hair. Similarly, let's fix the hair for Lord Parvati. Now it's ready. Now let's fix the body and legs to Lord Parvati and Shiva. Here I have fixed the bottom part of the sari. Fix the leg and dress for Lord Shiva. Place the crown to Lord Parvati. Here I have placed snake on Shiva's neck and let's color the dress. Now let's color the saris. Color the Tirishul. Add some jewels. Here I'm fixing the eyebrows and eyes. Here I kept the black dot as the eye, and our miniature Lord Shiva Parvati is done. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in another video. Bye. Take care.